Hello, how are you? I hope you are very well. Welcome once again to this your channel. I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. And we are creating our collection of princesses. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Princess Anna from Frozen. In this tutorial, I will show you the materials that we will need and the videos that you must see before continuing with the second part. So let's start. To make this body, in the description of this video, I will share the link. In that tutorial, her legs are flesh colored and her underwear is orange. For this princess, you will use from round 1 to round 37 pistachio colored yarn. We also have a tutorial for the shoes. They are the same shoes as Princess Jasmine, but you will use black color. In the description of this video, I will share the link. Let's see the materials that we will use. This princess is about 29 centimeters. Using Sinfonia yarn number 8. It is a 6-strand yarn. You can use the yarn that you prefer. Depending on the yarn you use, it will be the size of your amigurumi. Let's look at the materials for this base body. We will use pistachio colored yarn. Fresh color for the rest of the body. We will need approximately 66 grams or less because in her legs we will use pistachio color. We will use strand 10 for her hair, approximately 53 grams. We will use a silicone tube because her head is big compared to her neck. This silicone tube is 1 centimeter diameter and never less than 12 centimeters long. With this tip, it is easier to insert later into the body. You can also use other material. In my case, I make this princess collection for my baby, then I prefer this material because it's safer for her. But you can use whatever material you prefer and you can even articulate your princess in her arm and legs. Stuffed 10mm safety eyes, or the size that you prefer. Tan and white yarn for details in her eyes. These details. I used 2.5mm hook for this yarn. I recommend 2.5mm hook for the X-shaped single crochet, but for the V-shaped single crochet I recommend 2.0mm. If you want to know more details, in the description of this video I will share the link to that tutorial. We will need wool needle, scissor, and pins. Let's see more materials. We need black yarn, green leaf for these details, orchid blue for this detail, this X, pink for the flowers, and this green lime for these leaves. A closer for her dress. I will use this material. This material is used for shoes and backpacks, but you can use the material that you prefer. Also, you can put a button or you can sew it. Blush for her cheeks. You should know that this blush is not permanent. If you have permanent, congratulations, and please share that in the comments. And so we can use them too. It is all the materials that we will need. I hope you dare to do it. And if it's like that, and you have not yet subscribed to this channel, I invite you to subscribe and activate the bell so you receive notification every time that I upload a new video. See you in the next video. Bye bye!